first chutes installed in Turkey were in 2008. To date, we have approximately 32 chutes successfully installed. Since the chutes were installed, they're operating in a region now of approximately 2 to 3 years, with absolutely no maintenance being done.
We have just commissioned one of our most recent projects where we successfully designed, fabricated and installed multiple chutes in a sinter plant for a steel producer on the Mediterranean coast of Turkey.
Ideally, in Turkey, we'd like to infiltrate the market. There is a lot of mines out there. You've got coal mines, you've got the gold mines. There's a lot of potential clients out there.
Always dealing with international clients, there's not just the technical obstacles, there's also the distance that you're away from site, as well as the language barrier that you need to overcome. It takes patience to be able to get the information, take that and eventually try and get to a solution. In particular, I want to talk about the circular cooler feed chute that we did for them. And considering we're dealing with temperatures between 600 and 800 degrees Celsius, it's quite challenging to design and install a good working chute.
And obviously, being a steelmaking plant with sinter, when it's loaded into the furnace, it has to be a certain size, certain density, whatever it is. But with the current process, or the process they had, it was breaking down into very fine particles. And obviously this affects the production.
So the design element that is important in the chute is to reduce degradation. Considering the transfer is a 10-meter transfer, it's a chute that starts from the steel belt, it goes through the crusher and then onto the circular cooler. So a flow-controlled chute is very important in this case. In hindsight, we had multiple challenges, but as always, with our many years of experience, our dedication, innovative approach, we have successfully installed yet another flow-controlled Weba chute.
And since they saw the first 2 or 3 chutes work, and obviously we have done tests with regards to dust and degradation, and we actually made a huge difference.
We can confidently say that since the Weba chutes have been installed, we have reduced particularly the -5 material particles by 50%, which obviously helped a lot for the loading of the furnace and the efficiency of their furnaces. It was successful, and looking forward to do another project like this for sure.